I especially choose this topic because of the increasing need of the cleanliness all around the India, which can only be done by the support of each and every citizen of the country. The great person of India, Mahatma Gandhi, had said that sanitation is more important than independence. India is still a developing country because of the poverty, lack of education, lack of cleanliness, and other social issues. We need to eliminate all the bad regions from the society, causing obstruction in the growth and development of our country. And I think that cleanliness drive is the best start of eliminating social issues from the society as well as promoting the growth of country with its traditions, individual growth. Only the success of cleanliness campaign may bring a huge positive change in the India. It belongs to the internal and external growth and development of every living in India, which shows us the completeness of slogan of clean, happy and healthy citizens imparts healthy and developed nation. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan or Clean India campaign was started by the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, in 2014 on the Gandhi Jayanti 145th birth anniversary, 2nd of October. Mahatma Gandhi was well aware of the weakness of the Indian rural people during his time of Indian independence movement. He dreamed of making this country a clean country, and even he had emphasized a lot by many means among rural people. However, could not complete it because of the incomplete participation of the people. After many years of independence, we are still living in the dirty environment and putting our lives on danger every moment. According to the data, around 3%, 30% of the rural people do not have safe access to the toilets and use open defecation system in the fields. The Indian President Pranab Mukherjee has said while addressing to the parliament in June 2014 for ensuring hygiene, waste management and sanitation across the nation, a Swachh Bharat mission will be launched. This will be our tribute to Mahatma Gandhi on his 50 birth anniversary to be celebrated in the year 2019. In order, in order to ensure the hygiene all over the country, it is very necessary to solve the problems of sanitation, safe toilet, and proper waste management. The Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, has emphasized people about Clean India during his speech on August 15, 2014, on the Indian Independent Day. However, the mission was launched successfully on 2nd of October in 2014. This mission has targeted its competition till 2019, the 115th birth anniversary of the Bapu. This mission targets to fulfill the sanitation facilities to all as well as eliminate all unhealthy practices of people by 2019. It was 25th of September when the first cleanliness drive was started by the Indian Prime Minister. It is counted as the big awareness campaign in India which has become viral. Proper hygiene and cleanliness has the capability to change the global perception about India and may attract more tourists every year, which in turn may increase economy of India to a great level. According to his campaign, every Indian citizen has been requested to devote their 100 hours only annually for cleanliness in India. There is a norm to make separate toilets for boys and girls in each and every schools and colleges all over the India for the safety and hygiene by August 15, 2015. As a student and most importantly an Indian citizen, I too request all the people gathered here to participate in this mission to complete it by 2019.